I don't know where this is. Oh, this is for Boone. Oh, no? Oh, okay.
Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin,
Has enough
until
to get.
8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Footfield to Beloit to near Byron, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding.
Doubleheader. This is going to be a doubleheader.
Locations impacted include Janesville, Elkhorn.
It's going to be a doubleheader.
Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Hell Lake, Powers Lake, Burlington, Richmond, Springfield, Tiffany, and Millard.
This is going to be a doubleheader.
Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There we go. Doubleheader. Let's go. Let's get it.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beloit to near Winnebago, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Yes.
Source, radar indicated.
Yes.
Impact, expects considerable tree damage.
Yes.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Crystal Lake, Beloit, Lake, Indiana The Hills, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Harvard, South Beloit, Brockton, Baringo, Poplar Grove,
Oh, dang.
Rockford Airport,
That's a big one.
Candlewick Lake,
Holy
Wonderlake,
cow.
and Lakewood. Including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 41. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 a.m. for northern and Winnebago counties. At 7:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from...
Oh yeah, let's cancel the slight risk for Northern Illinois.
Moving east at 50 miles per hour.
They know what they're doing.
70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Alright,
Source,